Welcome viewers, as we're going to talk about global warming. In today's topic, I know most of you have been hearing about global warming and maybe you don't understand what global means and maybe what causes this global warming or the effects of global warming and how we can prevent this global warming. Now, let's just jump into our topic, global warming. What is the meaning of global warming? If I can define it, global warming is the rise of temperatures in the atmosphere caused by the greenhouse effect. Global warming is the rise of temperatures in the atmosphere, and this is caused by greenhouse effect. And one can ask himself or herself, what is the meaning of greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is the result of the high concentration of four main gases which are found in the atmosphere. Which are these four main gases? These four main gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and CFC gases. What do? These greenhouse gases rise in the concentration in the atmosphere, and the effect that comes about, what we call the greenhouse effect, the bigger the concentration, the higher chances of the greenhouse gases trapping the heat in the atmosphere. What does this cause? This trapping of the heat in the atmosphere affects the normal radiation of heat from the sun to the earth and bouncing back from the earth to the atmosphere. When we get that, the cycle of radiation from the sun has been interfered with, it comes along with many negative effects. For example, it can cause the rise in temperature. That's why you hear most of the people talking about climate change. And now it takes us back to our topic, global warming. Global warming. It is an alarming thing. Because of what? Because if the temperatures are going to rise per day, you know what is going to happen? We cannot sustain to live under abnormal rise of temperatures. Not only human beings, it will affect the plants, it will affect even the animals. And maybe it might cause hurricanes from the oceans and seas. And that will interfere severely on the lives of the people, the human race. In our topic, we are going to look at most of the effects that come along with the climate change, that is global warming. And most of this is being caused by the human activities. Global warming is caused mostly by human activities. Which are some of these human activities? You know, it is the activities that we do as human beings. For example, in our industries, when we are processing different stuff in the industries, there is emission of a lot of gases to the atmosphere. It's a mix of gases. And whatever the concentration of the gases in the atmosphere, it interferes with the normal cycle of gases in the atmosphere. Hence, it comes along with the many negative effects. And now we call upon everyone to start to try to reduce global warming. And in our next topic, we are going to look at some of the things that we are supposed to do to take action, to take responsibility, so that we can try to reduce the rise of temperature in the atmosphere, so that the human race will continue.